Hello. Today in this video I'm going to look at a couple of master locks, master Magnum locks. I picked these up at Ace today. They came in a pack of 2 with 2 keys. I actually bought them to try to recreate this magic trick, but I don't know, it did not work as planned, and so I ended up just cutting one open for fun, sort of. Yeah, it comes in this packaging with the 2 keys sort of held together right here, and this little plastic rod sticks through there. And there's a little metal ring that holds them on there. That plastic rod was really hard to cut. I ended up breaking a pair of scissors trying to get the keys out. Eventually used like a serrated steak knife to saw that open. So they really held the keys in. So here's one of the keys, 4 pins. See inside there some ball bearings. Not need to lock it to remove the key. I'll pick it quick. Okay. So now I guess we'll look at the one that's cut open. So here you can sort of see how this looks compared to this. When you remove this sort of plastic plate here, let's see if I can peel it open enough that you can see. It's actually a gap there. It's not like solid all the way through. And that's this gap right here. And you've got this sort of plate, this cover plate, right here on the top and bottom. There's a spring that goes right here, pushes against the shackle, and that fits in there just like that. Slides off. I'm not sure why they did that. I don't know offhand what the real advantage is there. Looking inside, you can see. Sorry, hold it for the camera. There's this little cam right here, and if you turn that cam, the lock will open. It looks like, oops, sorry, it's hard to hold and turn for the camera. It looks like you should be able to twist that open with some kind of bypass tool, I would think. I tried to do it with some of the ones I had here, and I wasn't able to do it. But I think maybe somebody could if you played around or tried to make your own tool for it. You might be able to get that to work. I didn't, and it's fairly easy to pick open, so I didn't mess with it too much. But it does seem like you should be able to bypass that somehow. Yep. And then here's the actual lock inside of it. Yeah, it's pretty tiny little thing. On the back side, there's no like retaining clip. It looks like the way they did it is they sort of serrate the plug, and then they just sort of crimp the housing into it. and that keeps this plug from coming out even after you've got it like this. You can't push it out at any, no matter which direction you turn it, and I think that's because that's crimped right there. I think if you wanted to take it apart further, you could pull the pins out here, remove the key, and then sort of twist it to each angle, 90 degrees, push out the crimp, turn it 90 degrees, push out the crimp, and then you could take it completely apart. I'm not going to go that far with it. I think you get the idea. You sort of see how it's made there. Kind of interesting. Yeah, I don't know if I will keep working on it to try to get the magic trick to work in the future or not, or if I'll end up just paying to buy it. I don't know. I need to think about it some more, that's for sure. Today is just winging it. Did not go to plan. Yeah. And then also, I'll show you this real quick before I go. This is kind of cool. I just got this in the mail. This is a lock from Andrew Magill. It's called Enclave. It's a very cool lock design. I think pick-proof. I do think it's pick-proof if implemented correctly in a real lock. This is a sort of demonstration model, a prototype proof of concept. You can Google it, and his website's got a really good 3D model of it that shows you how it works. Maybe in the future I will do a video breaking this down and going through it. But it's a very cool design. I don't know. I'll save it for another video. I won't keep going on this one. But yeah, maybe something to come in the future. All right. Thanks. Bye.